So, this is Jonathan Puebla, and this is my project. And so, this is a DNA structure. So, this is a cytosine, adenine, thymine, guanine, and the long strands is a sugar phosphate. And what holds all together, the cytosine, adenine, thymine, guanine, are called nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases. And a DNA are two strands of nitrogen that are made up of nitrogenous bases, and they make a double helix, which is pretty much it goes around each other. Like it makes a certain pattern. And a DNA is made up of nucleic acid that contains the genetic instructions for the development and function of living things. So pretty much it tells your body what it's gonna make. Like adenine and thymine can make up blue eyes, or cytosine and guanine can make up black hair. And yeah, that's pretty much what it does. So basically, it has to do with this right here. It's called the cell cycle, and basically they work as checkpoints. And the M is for mitosis. The checkpoint 2, it checks for cell size and DNA replication. And G1 is how it works as how the cell reproduces and divides. And right here in the bottom, we have the DNA replication, where basically it's a DNA strand that eventually breaks up right here. This is a new DNA strand right here, and it breaks up right here at this point, and eventually gets back together. It starts new strands and forms a new DNA strand. And this is a helicase right here. The replication fork. The replication fork. Yeah, okay. Transcription is the first step of gene expression, in which a particular segment of DNA is copied into RNA by the enzyme RNA polymers. So, parts of the DNA get turned into the RNA by the enzyme RNA polymers. Yeah, so. Yep. And translation is a final step on the way from DNA to protein. It is a synthesis protein directed by your mRNA template, the information contained in the nucleic sequence. So this, hold on, let me get my lightsaber out. Right here. So this is how the DNA gets converted to mRNA. And these right here, this is the amino acid. So this is a definition of mutation. It says in biology, a mutation is a permanent change of the nucleotide sequence of the genome of an organism, virus, or extra chromosomes, DNA, or other genetic elements. So an example would be a tumor. Like if a cell gets mixed up, or it's missing a nitrogenous bond, it could miss one or get confused with one, put the wrong one on, or it could have an extra one. It could be caused by uncontrolled cell growth, which would basically make you get a tumor, and that tumor can cause you cancer.